We are here in our warehouse at Guardian 8 and we're going to do a layman's durability test. What I mean by that is that when the Pro V2 goes through its engineering tests, it does have to pass within certain specs. But a lot of times that's just engineering speak. So we wanted to do something a little bit more real world. So as you can see, I have the Pro V2 armed and I'm holding it at a height that an officer would hold it at if they were using it. And I'm just going to drop it from this height onto the concrete floor and let's see what happens. So you heard that beep. The device is still armed. We still have our siren. We also still have our OC spray or deployment capability. Now, we're going to up the game a bit. We're going to keep this one continuous shot. We're going to arm the device. And we're going to put it on our forklift here in our warehouse, which is attached to a tape measure. We're going to take it up and see what happens when we drop it from a more substantial height. All right, so we got the initial impact plus a couple bounces. Let's do a quick height check. We are 18.5 feet or so. You can already see that the lights on the unit are on, which tells us our electronics are working. I think what we'll probably do here is go ahead and cycle the power just to kind of reboot the unit, wake it up again. So as you can see, it's going through its boot up process. That's a good sign. I'll give it a minute to wake up. This is just that rubber piece there. We don't have any major damage to the exterior of the unit, so let's go ahead and see if the electronics work. There's our level 1 activation, level 2, and we still have the ability to spray. So roughly 19 feet onto a concrete floor off of a forklift, in addition to a drop test from a functional height with the same unit. Feel free to share the story.